Okay, so in this next video here, I don't have this actually on the screen for you, but I'm going to show you briefly what this looks like here, the actual document, and I'll read off to you what it is and tell you what it's about. So this says, use my proven red hot video that brings in $1,000 for every 20 views on YouTube. And it also says, hypothetically speaking, it's not an actual guarantee. And this basically says he's made millions of dollars mailing cheap postcards for the last 37 years. Let's see here. And he talks more about his story. So basically, at the end of the day, what they're saying is that there's a video here which they have, which you can use for YouTube. They're basically giving you the rights to use this video. They're saying that it works really well at converting people into sales. And the cost of this video is normally $1,499 is what they're asking. Let's see here. They're telling you right now that they're giving you a $1,000 discount, and it's only $500 for this video, which they'll give you on a USB flash drive. And they put the instructions in the video for people who are signing up to make their payments and sign up to you, right? So that's it. That's just the option here. It's just an option for somebody that doesn't have any resources or who doesn't want to make their own YouTube video, or who wants to use a video that's designed to convert really well. They give you permission to use this video and customize the video with your payment information for $499. So that right there is, let's see, where were we? Yes, that was number 11 on the packing list. Use my proven YouTube video customized for you. All right, now that we've got that out the way, let's go to the next video, number 12, and we'll do that right now. Okay.